This message is being transmitted for the District of Columbia, D.C. This message is not a drill. I repeat, this message is not a drill. At approximately 2 o'clock this afternoon, reports of mini tornadoes and break-ins came flooding into the police departments. They figured it was attacks from the Tasmanian Devils, but Nickelodeon Animation Studios presidents Seema Zargami and Russell Hicks confirmed it was a Sistornado. For those who don't know, a Sistornado is something from the Loud House, a Nickelodeon animated cartoon that came out last year. The tornado forms when all 10 sisters start to act like Joker in an insane asylum and eventually pile up into one big tornado, destroying anything and killing anyone in its path. They've already taken the lives of many. The death toll is believed to be in the thousands by now. If you smell a dirty diaper, hear any rubber chickens or guitar riffs, lock all the doors and windows, hide somewhere dark, and call 911 immediately. Wait, what's that noise? Holy shit! Somebody help me!
Hey, has anyone seen... Oh my goodness. Hey, sorry folks. My sisters can be complete nut jobs most of the time. But don't worry, I'll get them back. You don't have to hide anymore. I'm close to catching them.
I guess you heard the boy. Just stay calm. The situation will be dealt with shortly. We will now return to our regular programming.
Now I can show you how the pioneers hitchhiked.